All right, everybody, we are here at Emotiv Mobility's booth, and behind us is the Air 1. Is that a stretch, right?
That's
now I'm
right.
joined by two gentlemen that are making this happen, all right? We have my man, Aaron, CEO of Emotiv Mobility, and then we also have Ronnie, CEO of Air EV. Now, here's the thing. We've been to CES a bunch. We've seen plenty of EVTOLs, or electric vertical takeoff and landing vehicles.
Correct.
That I would say might be more conceptual than actual real products. But the reason why I wanted to come here is to show you like this is an actual vehicle that is happening. So gentlemen, maybe you could start off, Ronnie, and tell me what we're looking at here behind us and a little bit about the Air 1.
So this is an aircraft which is powered by 8 electric motors. It's a full EV. We are flying since 2022. We have been selling aircraft since the end of 2023. We have a book order of 22 aircraft more to deliver. Basically, we're making revenues and flying around since 2022.
Wow, and then how do you fit in this puzzle, right, Aaron?
Yeah.
From a manufacturing standpoint, is that correct?
No, sure. So we were an early investor in Air EV. Obviously, it's not only is it a beautiful aircraft, it's also functional, right? So, and this is truly an aircraft and not a drone. You can see we're standing by a wing here that is actual airfoil, right? Which has a positive impact on creating lift and then reducing power consumption off the motors, right? So these are the kind of innovative technologies that Air EV is bringing to the market that first drew us as investors, and then also supplier, tier one supply partners for the manufacturability of the vehicle.
Can you talk about how real this is coming to the actual US? You know, what type of clearance or validation does it have to get from, these different agencies to actually fly and will it be able to fly in the US?
We took a different approach. If you look at the Evtol space, some of them are doing big drones, which is uncertified area. Most of them are doing some commercial flights, but it's a very, very heavy lifting option in terms of effort, time, and money. We took the light sport aircraft route, which is a streamlined, self-declared route. We were approved to be included in this route this August, basically. So we can literally deliver aircraft to customers, private customers, later this year.
And like you were kind of telling me, hinting like if people that know about this space will understand, like if you know, you know?
No, absolutely, right? So the light sport aircraft space is a very well-known space, right? And to Ronnie's point, it's almost a self-determined activity. Now, the FAA as an activity is still trying to stratify the sky, right? For those who know what an LSA is and those who know the difference between a drone and an aircraft, it's very clear that they can tell the difference.
Can you also talk about maybe some of the other technology in this Air 1 that we're seeing? You kind of gave a general outlook, but other tech features inside? Yeah, absolutely.
We have a lot of technology here. I can say that our focus is simplicity. So for example, there are no moving parts here, except for the motors themselves. So there are no actuators, we're not moving the motors, we're not tilting the blades. There is a lot of software inside, again, reducing the complexity, not increasing the complexity. So the flight control is proprietary to Air and is actually extracting more efficiency from this configuration. We take off like a drone, but we fly forward like a winged aircraft.
So when people that are watching this, right, these are obviously customers that you are going to be fulfilling these to. When can they expect that to happen around?
First deliveries to private customers will start this year.
Okay.
We hope to deliver 5 to 10 units. This is built to be built in thousands.
Mm-hmm.
So we will ramp up for double-digit and triple-digit during 27, and 28 should be hopefully
production.
Wow, that's incredible. Pricing wise, I'm guessing there's different packs, but what's the general
It's a few
price?
hundreds of thousands to begin with. We expect to drop below the 300,000 mark the minute we get to hundreds of units per year.
Okay, so the faster you get hundreds of units, the faster I get to get one of those. right?
That's correct.
But this is really incredible, and what we come here to see is not only see like innovation, but things are actually happening and coming. So appreciate the time, and Air 1, baby. Let's go.